My name is Christopher Mejia, and I am a loan officer. I love the camaraderie that we have within our branches. Just being able to come to work and joke around with your coworkers and just be a team all together. That we help veterans. I am really proud that we are able to help veterans and get them into homes and just fully take care of them. That's what I wake up for every morning. Bungee jumping. Even though I'm scared of heights, I'd still do it. What kind of cake? I would go with cake. Tacos. I'd go with the monkey. Just because, I don't know, I always like to be all over the place.